Oh, I finna leave it. I didn't even open the case. See what's inside this case. I lost my mind, and that'd be defeating the purpose of unboxing this old camera, wouldn't it? Hell, good stuff. Okay. Okay. No. You. No, that. Oh, God. I think I got the right one for the job. I think I got the right one for the job. I think I got the right one for the job. Oh, yeah. I think I got the right one for the job. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I like this. Okay. 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 So, I'm going to charge up the battery. Get it ready for what's to come. I think a flash or light or something up there. So, again, stay tuned. Hit that like button and subscribe. It's just something going to help us on our journey, on our YouTube journey. Sign out. Big from Big Backyard RCs. Thank you.